What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be talking about Aurora, and they had a very red day today. Currently, right now, Aurora is sitting at $2.67 Canadian, down 9.66%. We're also going to be looking at American charts as well. And on the American end, Aurora is currently sitting at $2.01 American, down 10.67% today. And we pretty much all saw this coming yesterday. Yesterday, I released a video where I gave my full opinions on what I thought possibly could happen. If you guys want to check out that video before watching this, I'll probably have a link right here at one of these top corners. I'm going to leave a link in the description below, and also I'll have the link at the end of this video where you guys could see my thoughts and opinions of what I thought was going to happen with Aurora, and my opinions as to Cam Battley leaving Aurora and these insiders selling out of their position from Aurora. The title of that video was CCO Cam Battley leaves Aurora. Now what? So I gave you guys my full opinion as to what was going to happen, and this is now the day of this happening. Aurora is down 10.67%. So we're going to talk about Aurora. We're going to look at charts. We're going to look at possibly how low Aurora can go. On top of that, we have an analyst who downgraded Aurora, who's given them a new price target and a new buy, sell, hold rating. And we're going to be talking about that in this video. But before we get this video started, don't forget, give me a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell if you're new here. Smash that subscribe button. Also, let me know in the comment sections what you guys think is going to happen to Aurora. How low do you think Aurora will go in Canadian and American dollars? I did place an American order for Aurora. I'll be talking about this throughout the video. But for now, let's get this video started. So first things first, we're going to be looking at Aurora charts. And as you can see right here, Aurora has broke down below this support line. This line was previously acting as a support right here. I drew it at $3.10. And today, as you can see, it finally broke below it. And it has me questioning how low will Aurora go. If we look at the all-time charts, this line right here was acting as a resistance line back in 2017, which was currently acting as a support. And also, if we go back in time, back in 2017, we have this $2 line that was previously acting as a support. So that's what I'm going to base these lines off of. I do think that Aurora now has the potential to go down to $2 Canadian. And we're going to do the same thing for American charts. And as you can see, I just drew these lines. We have a resistance line right here at around $2.25 American, which was previously acting as a support in present time. And in the past, we've had this support line right here at $1.50 American. So right now, I do also believe that this could potentially be acting as a new support, which would be $1.50 American. It's not guaranteed that Aurora will go that low. As you can see, Aurora continues to downtrend. They continue to move in the downward direction, and it's absolutely a possibility that it could continue to go as low as $1.50 American. And speaking of $1.50 American, I did not place an order at $1.50 American because it's not guaranteed to go that low. So I did place an order, only 500 Aurora shares at $1.80 American. This is in ACB US, so I'm averaging down my ACB position in US dollars, and I will be purchasing 500 US shares at $1.80 American if Aurora decides to go that low. And then if it does go to $1.80, I will place another order for another 500 to 1,000 shares at $1.50 American. Keep in mind that all this is strictly for entertainment and educational purposes. It is extremely risky investing in companies, especially in this sector, considering how volatile this sector has been, considering how questionable a company like Aurora is now, losing one of their main faces of the company being Cam Battley. And speaking of Cam Battley, let's just check Cam Battley out. I'm currently following Cam Battley on Twitter, but as you can see, I only followed him because he was the face of Aurora. I actually will be curious to see how many Twitter followers Cam Battley will lose. And the last time Cam Battley posted something was on December 19th. So he's been pretty quiet on Twitter for the past 4 days. He hasn't said anything about him moving to Australia to Med Relief. He hasn't mentioned anything about that on his Twitter. But just letting you guys know, I'm unfollowing Cam Battley. There's no point in me following you anymore. The only reason why I followed Cam Battley was pretty much to stay updated with Aurora. And if he is no longer with the company, there's no reason for me to follow him. But we're going to go straight to this article, which is Aurora stock slammed by executive departure and insider selling. So once again, in the video I mentioned yesterday, I did talk about insider selling. I think it was on Friday. There was an insider who has sold over $3 million worth of Aurora shares. He sold over 1 million Aurora shares to be exact. And we're just going to skim past this article, talk about it a little bit. So Aurora shares slid 8% on Monday after the company announced the exit of a key executive amid insiders selling stakes, dilutive financing moves, and questions about the company's path to profitability. So this is one thing that we talked about in yesterday's video. We talked about a few insiders getting rid of their positions of Aurora, Cam Battley no longer being the CCO of Aurora. And that's not the only problems that we're having with Aurora. One is, when will Aurora be profitable? Another problem that I don't think they talk about in this article is Aurora has some debt that's going to be due real soon, and how are they going to pay off that debt? If they're a company that's not really making any money, are they going to dilute even more shares? So these are things that will concern many shareholders, which explained why this company is down 10.67% today. So the Canadian company, which is the most widely held stock on trading platform Robinhood, said late Saturday that Cam Battley, its chief commercial office and the man widely viewed as the face of the company, was leaving. Battley had been with Aurora since 2016 and will remain on board of MedRelief Australia, a private company in which Aurora owns a stake. So Jefferies downgraded the stock to a hold from buy following the news. Jefferies analyst Owen Bennett wrote in a note to clients as he lowered his stock price target to $3 Canadian from $7 Canadian. So right here we have an analyst following this news. They lowered Aurora's stock price target to $3 Canadian. So they're saying in 1 year, Aurora will be worth $3. So right now, Canadian dollars, Aurora is worth 267. That's not a very huge upside, and I'm sure a lot of investors will be very disappointed to see such a low price target, and on top of that, Aurora getting a hold instead of a buy rating. But at least on the bright side, it's not a sell rating. Aurora shares have lost 24% of their value in the past month, battered by negative sell-side reports, a controversial convertible bond exchange, and that was highly dilutive for shareholders. So right here, I'm going to pull up Aurora real quick, and this is the year to date starting from January 2nd. Aurora started off real hot, went up almost 90% in the first few months of 2019, and ever since, Aurora is now currently down 62% on the year. So Aurora has been a bad investment for 2019. And if we're looking at Aurora from its peak right here all the way down to here, Aurora has dropped over 80% since March. So right now it's not looking very well for Aurora. A lot of investors are scared of this company, and a lot of people are selling out of their shares, selling out of their positions. And it seems to me that there's a lot of blood on the street, and this is why I placed an order for this company. It's a very small order, 500 shares for $1.80 each. It's not guaranteed that I'm going to get this price, because it's not guaranteed that Aurora will go this low, but this is something that I'm willing to risk. It's a small position I feel comfortable holding, and I feel comfortable losing as well. Obviously, I'm not here to lose money, but it's a risk I am willing to take. But anyways, that's it for Aurora. Let me know what you guys think about Aurora's new price target, given a $3 Canadian price target. That's a $2.28 American price target, which was brought down from $7 Canadian. So it's not looking very good for Aurora right now. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on what you think about this price target, what you think about the future for Aurora. How low will Aurora go? Will they hit that $2 support line, which is a $1.50 American support line? But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.